Hello, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you how to put a single name on your Facebook profile. To do this, we're going to go to the Facebook app menu and swipe to where it says Language. Tap on Language to enter, and then choose Indonesian as the language. Once that's done, the app will restart. The next step is to go to the Google Play Store and search for the application called VPN Indonesia. Once you find it, download and install it on your phone. When it's finished installing, tap on the Open button. By default, Germany is selected as the country, so we need to change the server to any free Indonesian server by tapping on Germany and choosing a server that says Free next to it. Then, we'll have to skip the ads and tap on Connect. Accept the connection so that a VPN connection can be made on our phone. Once confirmed that we are connected to the Indonesian server, we can close the application and return to the Facebook app. To change our profile name, we'll need to go to the settings by tapping on the three dots or our profile picture. Then, we'll swipe and enter the gear icon, which is the privacy section of our account. We'll scroll down until we see an icon that represents the photo of our profile, just above a key. We'll tap on Name and proceed to delete and change the name we want to have on our profile. Even if we add a space where our last name should be, we'll be prompted to enter our last name and letters. To do this, we need to access the new interface to change the data on our account. To do this, we'll go back to the main menu of Facebook and tap on the gear icon at the top to access the settings. Then, we'll tap on the first window that appears, which has a meta icon. This will take us to the section of our account with all our available profiles. We'll tap on Profile and choose the profile we want to leave with a single name. We'll tap on Name and delete all the names, leaving only the first line with the name we want to display. It's important to leave a space in the last name field so that the blue button at the bottom can be enabled. Once we see the button enabled, we'll tap on it and then tap on it again to confirm the change. We'll wait a few seconds for the process to complete, and now we can see that there is only one name on our profile. We can also change the language back to Spanish by going back to the settings and tapping on the language globe icon. Then, we'll choose the language we want to use. After completing all these steps, if you want to, you can delete the VPN app as it will no longer be useful. And that's basically how you can put a single name on your Facebook profile. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. I'm Sebas from Balmatech, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!